never see a pro coming last. She so fast, she got a 454 in her pants. You never gonna win that race. Put on a seatbelt and don't let her sit on your face. She might kill you in the morning at 2:14, doing the P-pop like she from New Orleans. It's been a while, more than 10 years past. When you close your eyes, you can still see her stash. My mama used to dance like that, bouncing her butt with her hands on her back. I saw her grandmama do it with a baby in her arm. Put her hand on the car and started swinging it hard. Every player in the party wanna get with her quick. Looked like she was humping an invisible stick.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Smell it.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Smell it. Come on. Come on.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Yeah, finally, the rock has come back, laying down the smack on you monkey crap candy-coated acts. Enter the squared circle with the great one, the most electrifying moves. Don't touch the station. Children and their children, they all chant with the millions upon millions of rock fans. Get ready for the square dance. Here's your chance for a can of ass whooping from the people's champ. If you smell what the rock's cooking. Smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Jabroni, check yourself, you don't know me. Jabroni, go back to the gym, you're too bony. So you want a piece of the rock, make it crumble. In these WrestleManias, kid, we Royal Rumble. Telling us that war is war. What the hell you think we came for? To play with these whips and chain swords and sharp glass? I shine them up real nice, turn them sideways, and shove them up your candy ass. If you smell what the rock's cooking. Smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Yeah, this is it, y'all. SummerSlam, Summer Sandbow. It's Thursday night SmackDown, there's no way out. Now you got a problem with the Brahma Bull. Time to fill the rock body. Ain't no way to stop me. See the people's eyebrow, ignite the crowd into a fitting frenzy. They want blood now. Chin lock and chair shots, suplexes, leg drop. Finish with the people's elbow and sonic rock. If you smell what the rock's cooking. Smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell what the rock's cooking. If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking? Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell what the rock's cooking.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking? Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Running for my magic. Gorillas in the mist. Running for my magic. Gorillas in the mist. Come down and beware of the black fist. The gorilla straight motherfucking killers in the mist. Take a shot, but you can't horse. Never thought you see some some niggas in the forest. Don't you give me chords that shit, cause we ain't made a mess yet. This rap produce the best shit.
Coming real hard, man, bumping in your car, man. Finally caught up with a devil named Tarzan.
Swinging on the vine, sucking on a piece of swine. Jigaboo come up from behind. Hit him with a coconut, stab him in his gut. Push him off the tree, he falls right on his nuts. And just like EPMD, I don't like a bitch named J to the A to the N-E. Can't wait to meet her, I'm gonna kill her, cause that little motherfucking cheetah can't hang with a gorilla. Running for my magic. Gorillas in the mist. Running for my magic.
You try to pay me off with a banana, but JD is blacker than a city called Atlanta.
Give me some elbow room, I need some elbow room, so I can boom, shakalaka boom. That's the sound of the 20 gauge, like a soap and the lynch mob can break out of any cage. You never even hear of this, I'm taking care of this lynch mob environmental terrorist.
Fuck great ape and Magilla, I'm a killer, Magilla gorilla, ain't a killer.
White boys like Godzilla, but my super nigga named King Kong played his ass like ping pong.
Some motherfuckers get your ding dong.
On the bullsack, what's that dick and nutsack? Get your butts back from the black fist. Cap killers, the gorillas in the mist. Running for my magic. Gorillas in the mist. Running for my magic. Gorillas in the mist. Ba-boom! Here comes a nigga from the dark side. Thinking about a brand new apartheid.
South Central, straight ghetto name.
Gotta show these devil motherfuckers what I'm made of. Yes, never smoke the cess. Only hit the Buddha when I beat on my chest. I'm laying in the cut. I'm laying in the cut. I'm laying in the cut. About to shoot me a mud. With the boom, ping, ping. Listen to the ill shit that I bring. Heavy-headed nigga coming out the mist. The smog, the fog, Ice Cube is my motherfucking dog. Yes. Drinking mud, smoking pumps. The gorillas rolling 4 deep with the bumps.
Show dog got the motherfucking pump.
And it's true.
Depot got the 22.
That's how it's done. So you better run, yo.
Run, yo.
Run your ass out the jungle. Cause hit a gun, go, and we don't miss. The lynch mob, the gorillas in the mist. Running for my magic. 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 Gorillas in the mist. The pride of Africa. 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 Gorillas in the mist.
But just as we humans have not been very kind to each other during our time on this planet, we have not been kind to the mountain gorilla. We've persecuted it, kidnapped it for our zoos, and shot it just for sport.
Man, this is it. This is what they've been waiting for, baby. This is what they've been waiting for. They've been waiting for the dog to scratch. They've been waiting for the dog to scratch. Already got grand chef status. See how you feel about this. I see is red, blood, red. Fuck that nigga said, what? I'm dead. Gun to the head, then run, but instead wash my hands and face, this blood is shed. Never had it all, I was born to mention. Fuck apologizing, if I said it, meant it. If I don't like you, fuck you, never pretended. Grass blew up and burned, that's how it is. Urban legend, I heard it mentioned. Dog is right at home in the dirt and trenches. My birth intentions, the first sentence of life without parole for the worst offenses. Senseless slaughters, kick open the door and everybody gotta die. Wives, sons, and daughters, with orders, we're clear from the start. First, turn off the light, the murder, whatever moves in the dark. Never. If they don't know by now, they about to find out. How the dog get down and what the dog is about. Even though I know it's the truth, you don't mean it. You haven't earned it. You haven't seen it. Nightmare, cause all you can do is dream it. You run from it, I end up in between it. What was first a curse turned into a blessing. What burned as it was learned turned into a weapon. Built the wall, bitch ass nigga. That shit that I'ma spit and get you killed through the door. Found him on the floor in fetal position. There is no war. Came here with leaving intentions. Thought shit was funny, like shit you were saying was ill. Till you made that left turn and shit got real. When it come to rap, you cats got it all wrong. Got boss for days, but you can't make a song if you didn't have what you said when you was flapping your jaw. Push them bricks, fuck is you rapping for? Nigga. If they don't know by now, they about to find out. How the dog get down and what the dog is about, motherfucker. If they don't know by now, they about to find out. How the dog get down and what dog's about. They wasn't, they're not ready. 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 Come on, man. I'm not playing. It's not a fucking game. Ow, now you gonna watch me fall, watch me fall, see me, see me fall. Let my life be a lesson to you. The only thing you'll never see me do is lose. As long as I'm still breathing, there's hope. In the name of Jesus, overtook God said. In the name of Jesus, me through. Just to show you the only thing he can. Open my eyes, thank God for waking me. Close my eyes, thank God for making me. Look at what I've done, thank God for not taking me. Did dirt run, thank God for not forsaking me. Been around the block a couple of times, caught charge. Knowing I did a couple of crimes. Time for changes now, better hurry. Wait for the 11th hour, you might die at 10:30. Hurry. If you don't see, then he'll try to show you. Turn it back like he'll know you. Alright, you really wanna go into the lion's den? Or you really think you made a fireman? Or you built the wall, think you made an Iron Man? Built you, made you, born you, raised you, carried you, saved you. Every time I came go, put you back up on your feet. Gave you the voice that you love. Then you don't watch me fall, see me, fall. Let my life be a lesson to you. The only thing you'll never see me do is lose. As long as I'm still breathing, there's hope. The game ain't over till God says so. Took me through just to show you the only thing he can't do. If you don't watch me fall, see me, fall. Let my life be a lesson to you. The only thing you'll never see me do is lose. As long as I'm still breathing, there's hope. The game ain't over till God says so. Took me through just to show you the only thing he can't do is
Yeah, new shit. Exclusive. Only right here. Yeah. All you blog niggas get ready to steal this shit and put it on your site to get your hits. We feel you. We see you. Hey, just tag a nigga, man. That's all we ask. Just tag a nigga. Justice. Let's go.
Baby, wondering if I'm gon' show. Shit, you already know. Where you been, where you at, where you headed? Shit, you thought I disappeared. Oh no. I'm right here, yeah. Shit, right back to the basics. Sound like I'm right back in the basement. Tryna put my neighborhood on. 6 in the morning. Until 6 in the morning. Been working so hard when the check hit the bank. Shit, I ain't even noticed. I live in the future. I'm blind in the moment. Say, oh, you gotta lay around me on me.
Now I remember when I was young, just a front runner. I was fucking with them drums like gay summer. Homies couldn't make it out the hood, make a nigga wonder, but I couldn't let Compton take a nigga under.
No way, no how.
Can't stop. Had bigger dreams for this hip hop. I'm happy it was music and not ziplocs. And now we bringing crowds like it's Woodstock. Might as well wipe down the ground. I done put up in the attic, I'ma play around. Lot of niggas coming through the door, not too many stay around. Lot of artists made it here. Goddamn, man, I made a sound. Or you ain't never seen a legend do it. Hold up on me, wait around. I've been on the verge since the nigga put it down. If we talking numbers, fuck Billboard charts. Don't even start with the bank accounts.
This is Beast One. It's the pharmacy, baby. Yeah. We are worldwide.
Better believe I'm going.
Yeah.
It's time to get back to the business.
Shit realer than rap. Somewhere trapping you can find me. Got 13 in my strap, and I keep that bitch with me whatever town we at. I'm killing these nigga whenever feeling these nigga. Went from $1 million to 10 figures I grow. Getting back to the business and in the back of a Bentley. I'm thinking, damn, how far can I go? Well, him a nigga Drake can get a bill to let me know that it's hope for a nigga still. That many more showing love for my art. When the ETL, the trap shit is on board. Hold up, they could get a wrong nigga money when they let me in. If it wasn't me, if I made it, should've let me see it. Explanation for all the devilish shit we did. I'm grinding, handling my business, bitch.
So many miles in the air.
You are now tuned in to the pharmacy.
Up and away, her one way, take it to the ozone layer.
Beast One, baby.
Don't you wanna roll where there ain't no hate around? Take it to another atmosphere. Smoke this.
Come on.
Smoke this.
Roll it up, get a lighter.
Smoke this.
Roll it up, get a lighter.
Change your atmosphere. I can change your atmosphere.
Chill.
Yeah, girl, if you just
Roll it up,
smoke this.
break it down, roll it up, get a lighter. Roll it up, get a lighter.
Change your atmosphere.
Look at what they did to me. They burned me, they turned me into an animal. They flipped, son, they burned me to the first degree. Me, son, they hurt me. I looked out for the motherfuckers, they burned me. I was good, now I'm bad, see, they done turned me into a monster. I can't believe they burned me. I showed them love, they showed me hate, they burned me. Now I'm heartless, your pain don't concern me. I got so many enemies, so many memories, so many flashbacks. We used to be friends, sugar turned to shit. People just change, they keep pushing a nigga till the hammer go bang. You violate, I will let that motherfucker ring. Feels like money came and more money came, and niggas start foaming out the mouth, growing fangs now.
When did I become the savior of the hood? Look, homie, you don't know me, I wouldn't save you if I could. I sacrifice for suckers and they change me. I'm angry, they selfish, all they want is what they want, so they blame me. Like it's all my fault, they ain't caked up. You a grown ass man, damn, when you gon' wake up? Turn 7 to 14, 14 to 28, old to 62. Nigga, get up your weight, learn how to duck the jake, stack the paper, then you straight. I try to help a nigga eat, man, it's hard out on the street, cause I'm kinda think I'm weak. They see the way I grind and they like the way I shine, they want paper like mine. Man, they be on some shit when they tryna hit a lick, man, a motherfucker flip. You think they won't trip cause you helped them from the rip, they ain't loyal to shit. She call the cops on me cause I don't love her like I used to. Tried to fix what was wrong, guess it hurts cause I'm gone. My son, he love me, but she tryna poison his mind. Acting like everything they got ain't come from my grind. I say a prayer for her like God, please change your heart. All this hatred at one time is tearing me apart. Man, I ain't looking for trouble, I'm looking for blessings. But ever since the money came, me, I've been stressing. Got my ass kicked for being kind, I can't trust nobody. The closer they get to me, the more they take from me. Man, I'm giving all I got to give, I'm trying to live. They look at me, their eyes got dollar signs. They want the kid to give it all up, fall apart, break down. I ain't got much left, what they want take now. My life, I got so much more to offer. I'ma make them watch me be #1 till I'm done. Yeah, I try to help a nigga eat, man, it's hard out on the street, cause I'm kinda think I'm weak. They see the way I grind and they like the way I shine, they want paper like mine. Man, they be on some shit when they tryna hit a lick, man, a motherfucker flip. You think they won't trip cause you helped them from the rip, they ain't loyal to shit. They're bringing me all the way down. Free me just because I'm down. I don't know what to do now. Me, my loyalty is what I'm about. They burn me over and over and over, like they doing what they supposed to. They burn me. Goddamn, look at how they do me. Somebody new trying to sue me. So they burn me. So they burn me. I'm back on the shit again. It's gonna take a whole SWAT team to bring me in. I'm back on the shit again. What's up? I'm back on the shit again. I had the same Vincent Cat had in 89. So on the word business outside gon' be mine. I got project protections of 10 grand in the building. Some niggas saying that's they spot, we gon' kill them. It's all simple math, now add it to automatic. It's filled to the tip of the clip, I let it rap. Now run cover your mother, it's all cocksucker. Fuck around, have a piece of your brain blown. Hop out with that long tray path, flame throwing ice and just a beautiful day. Look up, same blue skies and Pelican Bay. Surprise nigga, we all dying. It's quiet after niggas get blasted on. Niggas get shooting at me, I'ma come back. I ain't let shit die down, I'ma come back. I don't give a fuck who outside when I come back. Nigga, don't be fucking with me if you don't want that. Niggas get shooting at me, I'ma come back. I ain't let shit die down, I'ma come back. I don't give a fuck who outside when I come back. Nigga, don't be fucking with me if you don't want that. I got a bad Dominican bitch built like Buffy the Body. Got a new coat connect. My Mexican little mommy got a plan for the cops when the raid come. Automatic shotgun banging, I spray something. Look, I got an NBA bitch, she be ballin'. She pull up in that Bentley on me phone when I'm on it. I fuck like it's my last piece of pussy, I'm on it. Bitch like Jiffy with the lube, she want it. She suck the lights out me, I mean the life out me. I like the way she do it, like ain't nothing to it. Now nigga, don't you dare trip over no bitch. After money, that's the #1 reason to get hit. Fuck around, nigga. Shooting at me, I'ma come back. I ain't let shit die down, I'ma come back. I don't give a fuck who outside when I come back. Nigga, don't be fucking with me if you don't want that. Niggas get shooting at me, I'ma come back. I ain't let shit die down, I'ma come back. I don't give a fuck who outside when I come back. Nigga, don't be fucking with me if you don't want that. And you know you don't want that. Man, y'all niggas changed, man. These pussy ass niggas got y'all niggas dancing to love songs and shit. Now y'all there buying bitches boxes of candy, cars, teddy bears and shit, acting like everyday Valentine's Day. It's supposed to be my fault. Now I feel like I'm the only nigga going nuts. Cause all these niggas are soft. I guess it's my fault. And I scream on these niggas and they don't do shit about it. Cause I just do what I want with these sucker ass niggas. Man, fuck that, man.
See that low rider go by it like oh my. You ain't got to tell me why you're sick, cause I know why. I did through in that 6 tray like sick of Dre. I'm an itch that they can't scratch, they sick of me. But hey, what else can I say? I love LA, cause over and above all, it's just another day. And this one begins where the last one ends. Pick up where we left off and get smashed again. I'll be damned, I'll just fuck around and crash my Benz. Driving around with a smashed front end. Let's catch that one in. Grab another one from out the stable. The Monte Carlo, El Camino, or the El Dorado. The hell if I know. Leather seats are vital. Decisions. Mirage looks like precision collision. Omega beats quake like Waco. Just keep the bass low. Speakers away from your face though.
I can say what I wanna say. Ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. If I call you a nappy headed hoe, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. I can act like an animal. Ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. If I eat you like a cannibal, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. That music so fluffy, I'ma stay gutter. That shit is kinda popcorn, my shit is so butter. My style never changed in 22 summers. Straight independent and doing my numbers. This shit don't sell, you know I'm still paid. So side puss niggas can drink lemonade. I'm doing it for the love, you're doing it because you need that advancement to spend on them dubs. I don't need a penny, but I need many. Don't worry about my money, boy, cause I got plenty. You motherfuckers worry about flossing so much. You don't know the fundamentals, you forgot how to brush. These 32 teeth will give your ass grief. Bite you like a fat burger if you got beef. So who's it gonna be? Your favorite MC. You scared of the government, they scared of me. Now what? I can say what I wanna say, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. If I call you a nappy headed hoe, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. I can act like an animal, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. If I eat you like a cannibal, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it.
10 years past, we still up in that ass, feel it, make it all continuing. Look at all the shit you in. Easy does it, that be like the shit we used to do. 5 niggas coming out with CPT, so fuck you. Time change for the good. Niggas in the hood become the villain. Can you set it off again? You know you should. Yo, let's take this shit back to 1989. With this nigga shit I'm buzzing, niggas know they couldn't find. Dream team lovers, Egyptian fan base. Villain hit the scene, all them fools got erased. To a motherfucking monkey rich up in the rap game. Since I hooked up with E, shit ain't never been the same. Opened up doors, where you niggas have been looking at your clothes. Be on his sight, fighting what I recite, choking when I recite, filling manuscripts when I MC. If it ain't rough, it ain't me.
I can say what I wanna say, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. If I call you a nappy headed hoe, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. I can act like an animal, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it. If I eat you like a cannibal, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it.
It's the jump. About to go on, son. All you see here is crook. I know. Shout out to Abby. Forever P. How we gonna eat, man? 50 back around. Look.
red bones and red bottoms. Like Red Bull, we gon' give them wings, we red dot 'em. Candy rapping, cinnamon, we red hot 'em, headshot 'em. Go against my brain, get head problem. Big dummy, garbage rappers, we red fox. Shoot an actor in high depth in red box. Tip the scales in my favor, stay in your top 10. If life's like a triple beam, I'm weighing my options. Y'all like, why, man? You high, man? Keep a big popper, cause I ain't ready to die yet. I digress, or I'm just too intense to digest. Stretched in a Pyrex, compliments to my chef. Game ain't been the same since I left. If they really crooks, it's just a pain in my neck. Call me Super Daddy, my powers is supervision.
Casting raps, you get your back snapped in half for 7.
Shout to P, you know it's havoc when we mob up. I supervision, supervision.
He casting raps, you get your back snapped in half for 7.
Supervision, supervision. To make a living, yeah. Supervision.
Impossible pain beyond measure.
Supervision,
Headed straight to the money, no time to mingle. Blessing the essence of adolescence leaves my body now fresh. The whole world, but feel like nobody needs you. I hit the streets and we found love. Rihanna single. Created, got rhymes, 365 days annual plus some. Load up the mic and bust one. Cuss while I puss from you. Waste these cowards crowding up space, make it hard for a real spitter. Bars that'll kill niggas, I'm gone.
Get a fraction of that faction subtracted by my division.
Roof Chris for the state.
And rip they green cards, dip to the projects flashing my quick cash and got my first piece of ass smoking blunts with hash.
Bitch on the regular.